Okay. So what I'm looking for from all of you is one, obviously your name. What are you doing currently? What has your overall experience been after level 1 and 2? Okay. 3 words in which you can kind of summarize what this course is, and anything else that you want to add. I'll put it in the chat simply for your reference. Can we start? So who would like to begin?
I can go.
Okay. So,
Hi, my name is Chinkal. I am a psychologist and I did completed level 1 and 2 from ICHARS. So overall, the experience of the course was amazing. And the 3 words that I have is transformational, influential, and deep. They hold your hand in each and every point of the course. And the best part about is that they make you practice with each other. It's not just theory and the it's not just theory. Also, apart from this, the fellowship program that they have is also amazing because I am a new psychologist and I don't have a proper client base. So, this is also going to help me, plus the Friday meetings, which they have to guide you through the program. Not all the institutes provide this. So, 10 on 10 for ICHARS, and I'm sure I'm not taking the money back.
thank you. Who would like to go next?
Shall I?
Smitha.
Okay, I'm Smita. I'm a teacher. Okay, I come to know about this. That is, I don't know how, because I am in a place district where I have not much contact. But somehow I come to know about this. That is a miracle in my life happens. It's make me so happy that I have completed this level 2 also. Okay, I found this enlightened and what we call it is transformation, profound thing happen in my life. I'm so happy that I have completed these 2 levels. I think I can do much more after completing these things. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Who would like to go next?
I can go next.
Yeah, please.
Hi, my name is Rael. I'm actually in corporate communications in McKinsey and Company. And this movement towards counseling happened in the pandemic time. I have done several courses and I've completed my master's as well. However, this course is an eye-opener. Level 1 and level 2, which I've just completed now, has been amazing. It's an amazing journey. It's very sound and precise, and it can help you deal with a lot of things and help not only yourself, but even help your clients deal with lots of issues, uh, even aches and pains. And it's just amazing. I think I've said 3 words and many more in my statements before, but I will say the course is just brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. If you're planning to move to this field, this is one thing that you must definitely do. So that's from me. Thank you.
Thank you. Who would like to go next? Yes, please.
I'm Bhanumati. I'm a retired banker, currently pursuing a career as a life coach, relationship coach, and a psychological counselor. So all my trainings have been mostly under ICHARS, especially as a. I thank Nitin for helping me discover my niche. And now I'm mostly practicing as a relationship coach, and my overall experience of this course is, I'd say, it is very profound. I don't have words to describe it. Especially, I had certain habits which I could not come out of, and it's an eye opener for me. And if I have to say it in a simple 3 ways, the whole course is so structured yet deep. It goes in the deep level and it is transformational. So I don't have words to describe. And especially Nitin as a trainer, I'll say mind blowing, mind blowing, mind blowing. I'm a little partial towards him compared to other trainers. Nitin knows it. And this is off the record. I'm jealous of his mother. I wish he had been my son. That's off the record.
Thank you. Who would like to go next?
Yes, sir, can I?
Yes, Rita, please.
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Rida, and I am an MA psychology student from Mumbai. Throughout the level 2, I have learned so many incredible techniques, but my absolute favorites were wish and search techniques because they were shortest, easiest, most fun, and super quick to apply. Before actually trying out them, I was skeptical, thinking, "Isse kya hi hoga?" But when we practiced in the breakout room, I was amazed. Using the whoosh technique, I was actually able to erase a 6-year-old past memory that had been haunting me till late. Also, the best part was using compound suggestions and homophones for deepening techniques. It gave me a lot of, it gave me a completely new way of putting in my thoughts, and I could actually bring out the old poet in me again. So yeah, that was a wonderful experience. I'm eagerly looking forward to level 3 and level 4 and excited to start my independent practice very soon. And thanks to you, Nitin, sir.
Super. Thank you. Who would like to go next? Suen.
Yeah, I can. Okay. Hi, I'm Shubhayan. I am a mechanical engineer, currently working in a corporate. The reason I was looking towards this course is I have a lot of interest over psychology, NLP over the last several years, and looking for some institute where I can learn. And I think this is the best decision to learn from ICHARS. Level 1 was amazing, but level 2, powerful. I would say it is very simple, but very powerful, very structured. And the best part, I think we've spent 5 weeks. And I was just thinking today morning, hey, today's the last day. I didn't know how this 5 weeks went. One of the things, Nitin, that in level 1 we were taking breaks. I think in level 2 we have hardly took any breaks in between, apart from the lunch, and we didn't felt actually we're not taking the break. That's how it is engaging throughout the thing. And the questions, I mean, we asked, I think, any questions which came to our mind, all has been answered. So thank you very much. And I can see a lot of transformation in myself, things which I was moving away or not doing, like creating my own website or doing certain things. I'm already doing those things now. So looking forward to the level 3. I've already enrolled for masters. So looking forward to the level 3 in next batch, and really excited know how I'm going to apply this. One more thing I want to just refer that what I felt about this course is, so it is not only teaching us how to catch the fish, but I think the clients who will come to us, they'll also learn somehow how to catch the fish. That is the simple and powerful this techniques. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, we've covered everyone.
And I actually agree with Shuayan. Level 1 was like, acha, kitna time hai, and now it's like it just goes on like this.
For those of you joining level 3, you will actually realize that level 3 flies even faster.
Yeah, level 3 actually flew.
You will definitely be seeing me in level 3.
Chalo. So good to have come to an end of another batch. I look forward to seeing you again for whatever things. And please, Friday Q&A, whenever you are available, join. Because many times in those question and answers, in those case discussions, you will pick up things that otherwise you may not, right? Because there people are asking cases based on the questions that they are working with clients, struggles they're having with clients. So it's a more, you realize how they are able to address that and where they are going wrong and how they can improve. So that also helps you learn what you can do with clients when you're working with them.
Nitin, those Tuesday sessions are not being conducted anymore.
They will. We are. So we have brought someone on board to do the Visit MHP bit completely with us. He's now on board. I just have to set up a meeting of his with Arbina and Kiran so that they can explain to him what we have been doing till now. Visit MHP will become active again, and we will start monetizing Visit MHP in some form or the other. So the things that we were doing on Visit MHP which will free will remain free, but there are certain paid plans that we have that I just did not have the time to implement. And now with this person coming in, he will be able to help us implement them and so on. Probably April to wo aa gaya, but yeah, April 15 onwards is what we're expecting it to. No, not April 15, sorry. ICHARS anniversary, which will be on May 25th. We will be announcing the relaunch of Visit MHP. Between now till 25th of May, my focus will predominantly be Meet Goals app because we want to get that sorted and get that running now.
So then this
Yeah,
level
I
3
was
is
not able to see it in Google Play Store. Is it only
So-
for Apple or something?
So right now we have removed it because we are uploading it the entire thing again. So we are waiting for its approval to come. For some reason, the approval has got stuck and therefore the delay. So in maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, it should be done now.
This level 3 we have scheduled in May, right? End of May.
Level 3 will be back to back. No, level 3 is weekends, 5 weekends.
Yeah, we
Sir,
can.
is there no weekend batch for level 4?
No, level 4 is generally back to back because the techniques that are covered, some of those techniques need to be done. मतलब एक आज एक कल. So we can't have a longer gap in between them. But level 4 dates are announced well in advance. So there will be enough time for all of you to prepare for it. I think they are already announced for the next level
Yes.
4. उसके बाद का भी 1-2 महीने में भी announce हो ही जाएगा.
So level 4 we don't have the weekend.
No, level 4 is back to back. So 13 days with 1 day gap in between.
When is level 4 now? Sorry for asking.
Dates website पे होगा अभी मुझे भी.
ठीक. Done.
All right, thank you. In a few moments, I'll add your quizzes. Once I've added the quizzes, I'll drop a message in the WhatsApp group so that you can complete the quiz, do the certification. I will also share the links to the profiles for your reviews
And
and
Kiran's number.
Kiran's number. All right. Thank
Sir,
you.
is there a time limit to complete the quiz?
I would suggest between today and tomorrow complete, because the sooner you complete it, then that's one work done. Otherwise, फिर वो delay होता रहता है. I'll share the link quiz with all of you probably in another hour and a half.
Nitin, I have a few doubts. So when can I talk to you today or tomorrow, whenever you're in a free zone?
So, आज तो unlikely because I have a client now.
Done.
Tomorrow post lunch.
Okay, I'll call.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you. Bye-bye.